Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix YouTube TV playback error. First, check your internet connection. An unstable or weak internet connection is a common cause of playback errors on YouTube TV. Ensure your internet speed meets the platform requirements. Next, check if you are logged in on multiple devices. YouTube TV supports simultaneous streams on up to 3 devices. If you are encountering a playback error, verify that you are not logged in from more than 3 devices. Restart the YouTube TV application. A simple yet effective fix involves restarting the YouTube TV application. Try restarting the app to resolve general playback issues. Then clear your cache files. Accumulated cookies and cache files may lead to playback errors on smart TVs. A simple power cycle often clears cache files. Configure your browser settings. Browser configuration issues such as unwanted extensions or disabled JavaScript can contribute to playback error messages. Enable JavaScript in the browser setting and ensure that ad blockers are disabled. Method 6. Install update YouTube TV. Ensure you sign in with your account details after reinstalling. Method 7. Change your location. YouTube TV uses location tracking and conflicts may arise if your location is not accurately reflected. Changing your device's location settings either on Android, iOS or web browser can resolve location-related conflicts. Verify your password. If you have recently changed your YouTube TV password, update it on the devices you are currently using. And last step is update your browser. An outdated browser can lack compatibility with the latest features of application. To ensure smooth streaming, make sure that your browser is up to date. And that's how you can fix YouTube TV playback error.